For higher competition, and this is kind of that hybrid approach I was talking about before, taken from the local side of things into an e-com side of things, you're going to take that cloud stack, and then you're going to build on top of that several feature stacks. Each feature stack is a stack, whether it's a silo or a cloud. And for this, I probably use a silo that is focused on a specific major feature of the product. And then the base release for that stack links back to the base release for this actual, product cloud, and which then links in turn back to the target product, right? So making sure that every feature stack is relevant for that major product feature. Product video 100% of the time, same thing. All we're doing here is we're leaning on building relevance for those individual features. So, if it's a minor feature, don't do this, right? If it's a major feature like, wireless, wireless headphones or something like that, and you want to really focus on the wireless aspect of it, great. That's more of a major feature, right? Talking about how it comes in black and red and blue is probably not a major feature, so you wouldn't base a stack on that. So you're going to have to look at each product specifically about this and decide where you want to, kind of draw the line on features. This is actually really powerful in more competitive, spaces. It's not as critical, let's say, in lower competition ecom.